Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am participating in DEPHEMEREMBER 2023, hosted by Barbara of 49 Dragonflies and Luise Heinzel of Luise Heinzel Junk Journal Art. And our prompt for today is Selfie in a Bubble. So I've got one of my old pictures, so I'm going to use that. And let's see what we get. I hope everybody's doing great. I wished I had a little bit smaller circle, but I don't. So I'm just going to use what I have. And I am going to make like a Christmas ornament. So I'm going to tack that down. I have been enjoying this challenge, and I've been watching some of the other videos, and very, very, very talented folks. All right, I can trim that later. I'll go ahead and trim it now. Okay, now to get my bubble effect, what I'm going to do is use my dauber, and I'm going to just use clear embossing powder. Okay, now I'm going to use my clear embossing powder and sprinkle it over. Let's see. Now I can see where else I need to add. See here. I can get that out now, can't I? And now let's emboss it. I think I'm going to hit it one more time while it's still hot. Well, it didn't work as well this time. Don't think it's gonna get any better, and that pen did not work as well as the dauber. Okay, but it still has that little bit of a bubble look. All right, now on this one I'm gonna do something a little different. I learned this from my friend Big Mama Sandy Moore. Be sure and check out her channel. But she did some journals where she added embossing powder using glue stick and glue. And that's what I'm going to do here. I did some on some journal pages, and it really worked out really well. So let's see what we get. I'm all right with some of the red shining through. All right. All right. Oh, I love Big Mama. She makes the most beautiful journals. All right. So now, I like that. Okay. Now I'm just going to attach. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit the inside area of this circle and the outside area of this circle, and attach it. Okay. There we go. So now I got my selfie in a bubble, or bauble. So now I'm going to add that to my page, but first, let me see. I need to get some more gold. But I think I'm going to stamp the background. Just to give it a little bit of interest. There we go. Just a hint of a background. And now I've got this. And I've got some stickers. So let's see. Like that. Like that one. And I like that one. I like that well enough. So, let me get this down. This one's a simple one. you know, sometimes I don't think there's anything wrong with simple. I think I'm going to cut the string off though. Oh, I'm doing that. Now I can't remember. I think it was this one. Alright, and I have got a gel pen. They need to go with something a little bit, let's see. Should I add another one? Will it be too much? What I think is there we go. On earth. I will use my wax to go around the edges again. Okay. Well, here's today's prompt, a selfie and a bubble. So I've got this little ornament, and I really love how it turned out. And I'm going to add this to my book. So one good thing about the ring binders is you can go a little bulky with your, got my bird from yesterday and my butterfly and my selfie and a bubble. Still got to do that door. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbara and Louisa's channel. And be sure and check out Big Mama Sandy Moore's channel. Also, to check out the hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER. If you hit DEPHEMEREMBER 2023, you'll see a lot of this year's. If you hit DEPHEMEREMBER, you'll see the years prior too. So, y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until tomorrow, bye y'all.